So I was asked to try and model this, print it. I have no idea what I'm doing, but I winged it. So I just used, what is it called? Tinkercad. I started with this. I just did a little circle. And I used these holes and I used these like these to space out the distance between where I want it to go and to where the other hole is. I have no idea if that's a good idea. No idea. And then I exported this, brought it back in, made these weird little things for the angles, which turned into this. I cut it in half, so I only had to model half. Replicated it on both sides, like that. Added a little H for the guy's name. And, I mean, I think it looks pretty good. So that's the original. That's what came out. It lines up like absolutely perfect. That side and this side. Holes line up perfect. I don't know if I just got lucky, but I think it'll work.